Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear respected brother and sister and gentlemen, I'm Muhammad Younus from Kamfor Station, Block City. Today I can share something about RCPR. And RCPR have two goals. Number one, to, to save and peace for Rohingya refugee camps. And number two, to return for right and reputation. This is RCPR two. And I'm humbly request who are uploading videos again RCPR, please stop uploading videos. RCPR, please stop uploading videos social media. And when we are coming to Bangladesh in 2017 to 2024, we are facing very challenging to Rohingya refugee camps. After then, all Rohingya united in to include this RCPR. After completing this RCPR, and we are very happy and peace in camps. Now, who are against RCPR and please investigation. What are they doing and what is RCPR planning? And please don't blind our Rohingya future life. And who are uploading videos, social media, please come to investigation. RCPR office always open for you and you are welcome. And guide us what's wrong. If can come and can't upload video social media. If uploading social media and all youth together against sending voice you. And also I'm humbly request please stop uploading video social media against RCPR. Reminded this video, if I have mistake, please pardon me, my respected brother and sister. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.